Good day all. I am Dr. T. Arunmuri, Assistant Professor and Head, Department of Commerce, KCS Kasinada College of Arts and Science. I welcome you all for the presentation on budgetary control. It is based on the curriculum of all universities on this subject. The contents are: what is budgetary control, differences between forecast and budget, objectives of budgetary control, merits and demerits of budgetary control. Now we would go to the term budgetary control. It refers to a system which uses budgets as a means of planning and controlling all activities related to production and sale of commodities. It may be defined as the establishment of budgets relating to responsibilities of executives to the requirements of a policy and the continuous comparison of actual with budgeted results. I repeat, it is a continuous comparison of actual with budgeted results, either to secure by individual action the object of that policy or to provide a basis for its revision. It is an important technique of management to control the business activities in which the manager evaluates the business activities and results on the basis of pre-prepared budget. According to J. Batty, budgetary system is a system which budget as a means of planning and controlling all aspects of producing and or selling commodities or services. Now we pass on to the differences between forecasts and budgets. A forecast is the statement of facts likely to occur. According to the Institute of Cost and Management Accountants, London, forecast is a statement of probable events. At planning stage, it is necessary to prepare forecasts of probable courses of action for the business in future. Plans or budgets are prepared on the basis of these forecasts in order to achieve the objectives of the organization. The forecast of a function need not necessarily be coordinated. The desired coordination is obtained before finalization of the budget. A forecast is therefore the basis for the budget. A budget is a statement of planned events generally expressed in a financial and or quantitative terms. It is generally evolved from the forecast. A forecast denotes some degree of looseness, while a budget denotes a definite target. On the basis of events, a budget relates to planned events. Forecast is concerned with probable events. With basis of period, budget is planned separately for each accounting period. A forecast may cover a longer period or years. On the basis of coverage, budget comprises the whole business unit, but a forecast covers a limited function. On the basis of control, budget is a tool of control. Forecast does not connote any sense of control. On the basis of process, budget starts where forecast ends. And forecast, it ends the forecast of likely events. The objectives of budgetary control: planning, coordination, communication, motivation, and control performance evaluation. To a detailed note, to plan and control the income and expenditure of manufacturing and trading operations, to predetermine the capital expenditure of a business, to coordinate the activities of the business in such a manner that each is a part of the total, to establish divisional and subdivisional responsibility, thus decentralizing it, to prevent waste, reduce expenses, and operate most efficiently the various departments so as to attain the maximum profitability. To plan and control expenditure on research and development, to arrange for the financing of the operations so that adequate working capital will be available as required, and to act as a means of communication. Now we go for the merits of budgetary control. It is with the advantages of pre-planning, enhanced efficiency, delegation of authority, coordination, maximization of profit, forecasting credit needs, a uniform policy, and it goes for increase in production. And the other advantages are budgetary control defines the objectives and policies of the undertaking as a whole. It is an effective method of controlling the activities of various departments of a business unit. It fixes targets and the departments have to work efficiently to reach the targets. It secures proper coordination among the activities of various departments. It helps the management to fix up responsibility in case the performance is below expectations. It helps the management to reduce wasteful expenditure. This leads to reduction in the cost of production. It brings in efficiency and economy by promoting cost consciousness among the employees. It facilitates centralized control with decentralized activity. It acts as an internal audit by a continuous evaluation of departmental results and costs. It facilitates introduction of standard costing. It aids in obtaining bank credits. It helps in estimating the financial needs of the concern. Hence, the possibility of under or overcapitalization is eliminated. It provides a basis for introducing incentive remuneration plans based on performance. It helps in the smooth running of the business unit. There will be no stoppage of production on account of shortage of raw materials or working capital. The reason is that everything is planned and provided in advance. It indicates to the management as to where action is needed to solve problems without delay. Next, we go on to the limitations of budgetary control. It is based on estimates. It has a danger of rigidity. It is an expensive tool. There is no substitute for efficient management. Next, it hides inefficiencies and human factor is involved in it. The other limitations are the preparation of a budget under inflationary conditions and changing government policies is really difficult. Thus, the accurate position of the business cannot be estimated. Accuracy in budgeting comes through experience. Hence, it should not be relied on too much in the initial stages. Budget is only a management tool. It is not a substitute for management in decision making. Budgeting involves heavy expenditure which small concerns cannot afford. There will be active and passive resistance to budgetary control as it points out the efficiency or inefficiency of individuals. The success of budgetary control depends upon willing cooperation and teamwork. This is often lacking. Thank you. We would meet in the next video